Welcome to my new listing here in Severn, Maryland. We're at 7813 Telegraph Road. Perfect location, close to shopping, all major routes. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 level living. Let's check it out. You're gonna love this farmhouse kitchen. We got a farmhouse sink, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, brushed brass knobs, an absolute stunner. Thanks for coming out and taking a look at our listing today. Don't forget that like and share button. And we got a little special bonus on this one because this one here has a second possible lot that's already been perked. Come build your dream home, do an investment. Whatever your mind can think of, we can do.